Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video of How Logical, and in this video I am going to show you how to get Google Authenticator codes without the phone. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in these scenarios, like when you don't have your phone or you might have lost your phone, you just simply have to be ready for those kind of scenarios at first in order to get code without phone. Now, in order to get code in those type of scenario, you just simply have to log in your Google Authenticator with a proper Google account and then tap into this button and back up your authenticator data into any of the Google account. When you lost your phone or don't have your phone into those kind of scenarios, you can restore those backup data and easily access your codes from Google Authenticator. Otherwise, you can just simply transfer your account into other devices by using this export accounts option. And by following these two options, you can easily get authentication code if you lost your phone or if you don't have access to your phone. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.